In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy stuff online with Vanilla Visa. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A Vanilla Visa card is just like any other debit card, so all that you have to do is make sure that it is activated, ensure that you have enough balance, and you can use it in any store that accepts debit cards. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use it with Amazon as an example, but like I said before, it is going to work on any store that accepts debit cards. First, I recommend going over to vanillaprepaid.com and in here ensuring that your Visa gift card is active. So input the full card number, expiration date, and security code. This will allow you to verify the balance of the card and of course ensure that it is active. Alternatively, call the number on the back of the gift card to be sure. After this is done, visit any online service or store where you want to make the payment. Proceed to checkout. So as you can see, I have one item added into my cart. Proceed to checkout. And when it's time to choose a payment method, choose the option to add or use a credit or debit card. Now, on the card number, name on card and expiration date alongside security code, input all of the necessary details. There is no secret. Even if there is no name printed on the card, you can just use your own name and it should work. So input the full card number, expiration date, and security code. This will allow you to use your Vanilla Visa card to make this purchase. Ensure that the balance that you have on the card is enough to cover for this, so always check the order total to be sure. And if you have enough balance, you can proceed to checkout and complete the purchase. It works just like any other debit card. There is no limitations and you can use it on any store that accepts these cards. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy stuff online with Vanilla Visa. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.